Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI and I'm about to apply mascara because I just put on some eyeshadow and I'm going to use the Tarte Gifted mascara. I love the container that it comes in. It's such a pretty wood looking container with a pretty tribal design on there, and it has a really great wand. And it applies really well. So it really makes your eyelashes pop. I applied some on this eye and not on this eye, and you can tell the huge difference. The wand does a really good job at separating your eyelashes, and the product glides on super easily. I love the consistency. And there you have it, the perfect mascara. So if you're in the market, I highly recommend the Tarte Gifted Mascara. Not only does it apply really nicely, makes your eyelashes pop, but it also lasts all day. So I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.